I think that my mother knew that her mother knows some Yiddish, that her father probably knows some Yiddish words, and she was raised also by her grandmother, who was a native Yiddish speaker. But nobody saw them speaking Yiddish in action. Yiddish was not the issue at home at all. What I remember from the 1980s in Odessa when I was visiting my grandparents, and then suddenly when they immigrated to Israel, I noticed that on the post office with a postman, my grandmother is speaking fluent Yiddish. That was their Jewish language, how they communicated with non-Russian Jews in Israel, old ones. They couldn't speak Hebrew, so they talked Yiddish. But the story is that in the Yiddish communication, the only person who was stepping into this communication was my grandmother. My grandfather never said nothing, so we were sure that he forgot Yiddish. He was like raised in much more Russian atmosphere. But only after his death we discovered that he finished all the steps of Russian Yiddish Soviet education in 1920s and 1930s, and actually his Yiddish was his native language that he spoke at home with his father, only Yiddish. But because of his kind of, I think, attitude also, and what happened to him during his life, he kind of totally pressed it away.